Hello, it's Beachcams Man, and I've been back on site in Dawlish to see how the team are getting on. There's a lot of progress since our last update, and they have dug deeper. Much deeper. It's a joint venture between Network Plus and Envolve, and with help with the team on site, I can give you an update on exactly what's happening here on the lawn. We move some animals. We visit Sandy Lane. And finish off at Brunswick Place. Before we show you the video, please subscribe to our channel on YouTube, follow us on Facebook, and like this video and give it a share. Over to you, Chris.
We're here in lovely Dawlish today to help improve bathing water quality as part of our £760 million investment called Turning the Tide programme. We're building several underground storage tanks to hold millions of litres of stormwater during heavy rain to prevent our storm overflows from spilling when our treatment works are at capacity. We're also carrying out surface water separation works in several areas. This will keep rainwater out of the combined sewer, helping to reduce volume and make storm overflows less likely to be needed. This means cleaner rivers, a healthier coastline, and a more resilient wastewater network for Dawlish.
The shaft is now at full depth, and each concrete ring is made of 18 interlocking segments. Each precast concrete segment weighs around 3.2 tonnes, making a complete ring just under 60 tonnes. With a depth of 14 rings in total, that's around 800 tonnes of concrete just around the outside. The weight of the ring helps the shafts sink as they dig, but there's more to it than gravity. To assist in getting the shaft 14 rings deep, they use these blue hydraulic jacks. These jacks are fitted to the rings during construction and are individually controlled. They do two jobs. They give the shaft a helping push into the ground, and they keep everything perfectly round and vertical. The engineers are constantly checking the shape and level, and if there's a high or low spot, they tweak the jacks to bring it back true. Meanwhile, the excavator at the bottom of the shaft is moving earth and filling the huge bucket to make way as the rings drop. The bucket is then lifted with the crane. Now that the shaft has reached full depth with 14 rings installed, the jacks have been taken from here and moved over to Brook Street for the next phase. The blue ladder is there as a safety measure, but the main way in and out of the hole is the man-riding cage attached to the crane. There's also a dedicated rescue cage with a stretcher on standby. When it comes to doing the drilling work, the crew will use a curved platform with wheels that tracks against the shaft wall, giving them a stable, level surface to operate from. It's not often these lads have to move the animals for their own safety. The other night, a couple of these were taken for a walk when the compound was broken into. Fortunately, they brought them back, and we're now moving them to keep them safe. If you've been on the lawn outside the compound, you may have seen this big pipe. It's part of the Brunswick Place works. The team are replacing an online sewer and upsizing it. because the sewer must keep flowing while they work, the crew have installed a temporary diversion and overpumping system. That keeps the wastewater moving while they dig and lay the new pipe. For this work, they have to work from the lowest point upwards, installing 3-metre pipe sections inside these protective support boxes. Progress varies day to day. Some days they can fit 2 pipes, while on others they can only fit 1. This is because they have to navigate gas crossings, legacy utilities, and then reconnect the live system each evening. There are inflatable stoppers and twin pumps managing the flows. The second pump is a standby pump in case the first one fails. So that's where we are. The lawn shaft is at full depth. It's getting ready to be sealed and prepared for the base, with the central column and benching to follow, while the Brunswick Place team keep the town running with a live sewer upgrade. I'll be back soon with another update. We'll also take a look at the work happening at the Adventure Golf Course and up at Brook Street now the work has started there. Thanks for watching, and as always, make sure you follow us or subscribe for more updates.